How to add a back to top button to Wix. So in order to add something like that, we need to head over to Common Ninja. From in there, just click onto this plus icon once you have signed up for an account. Click onto the search and search in here for back to top. You can see in here this, so click on it. And then after that, this should be able to redirect you to the editor of the back to top button that we will add into our actual website. So you have the option to edit it. You can choose in here the text, and you can also just input right here the icon type. For this case, I'll choose circle arrow, and I will not input a button text, so it will just look like this. Now we also have the option to choose in here the look and feel for that, as well as the actual display rules, as well as visibility, and also integrations, as well as the actual templates that we can choose from. Once you're done, click onto this publish option and click on save widget. Choose in here the project that you want to save it into and click on save changes. Copy the code that this will give you and then head back right here to your Wix Studio. Click on plus icon and then go over to quick add, scroll down, and in here we have iframe. So just drag and drop it right here. Once you have dropped it in there, click onto this enter code and then enter in here the code that we have been given and click on update. And then from in there, this should be able to give us the actual back to top button right there. So that's how you add a back to top button to Wix. Hope we help.